In this exercise, you will practice listening to conversations and announcements that involve numbers, with a focus on prices and percentages. You will hear examples of price tags, discounts, sales offers, and percentage calculations. While listening, pay close attention to how prices are spoken and how percentages are used in different contexts, such as discounts or tax rates. Afterward, you will answer questions based on the numbers mentioned.
Listen to the tape and write down the price for each item.
1. How much is this CD player?
It's £120.
2. How much does this bicycle cost?
It's £90.
3. How much does this cost?
The TV set? It's £269. 4. How much is the camera?
It's £199.
5. How much does this radio cost?
It's only £49.
6. How much do the binoculars cost?
£69. In London, accommodation is another very expensive thing. You would pay about £40 a week for one room. If you want to rent a one-bedroom flat, it will cost more. You would generally pay about £200 per week for it. A telephone call to another London number costs 50p, and posting a letter costs 40p. A loaf of bread is 40p, a bottle of beer is £1.50. Very few international students will have their own washing machines, so it is likely that you will have to do your washing at a laundrette, which is a place where washing machines are provided for the general public. Here are some prices for the use of a washing machine. It's £2.50 for using a large washing machine and £1.80 for using a small one. You have to pay £1.50 for using a tumble dryer, about £2.40 for a medium-sized packet of washing powder. Now listen to the report on consumers' expenditure in 1983 and 1993 at market prices and write down the percentage in the correct column. The percentage of household expenditure on food decreased slightly from 15.1% in 1983 to 11.4% in 1993. Alcoholic drink was 7.1% in 1983, but fell to 6% in 1993, and tobacco was 3.3% in 1983, but only 2.7% in 1993. The percentage on housing increased slightly from 15.1% in 1983 to 15.4% in 1993. And recreation, entertainment, and education was 9.2% in 1983, then increased to 10.1% in 1993. The percentage of consumers' expenditure on other goods and services showed a large jump from 13.5% in 1983 to 19.4% in 1993.
Listen to the tape and write down the total number and the percentage in the right column. Here are some figures about Britain's migration in 1993. There were 227,000 people who left Britain to live abroad. 25% of them left for other EU countries. 19% left for Australia, Canada, or New Zealand. 16% left for the United States, 13% for Commonwealth countries, and 6% for the Middle East. 2% of them left for South Africa. There were 215,900 new residents who came to live in Britain. 32% of them came from other EU countries, and 16% of them came from Australia, Canada, or New Zealand. 22% of them came from other Commonwealth countries, and 8% from the USA. 3% came from the Middle East, and 3% from South Africa.